Hello everyone, welcome to AD Study Today. In this video, we are going to cover all the important current affairs of 29th March 2021. So let's start. So the first question is, Earth Hour is an annual event on which date it is marked? The correct answer is option B, last Saturday of March. Its detail is, every year the Earth Hour is celebrated worldwide on the last Saturday of the March month to show support for fight against climate change and commitment towards better planet. Earth Hour 2021 is being marked on March 27, 2021. The Earth Hour 2021 theme will focus on climate change to save Earth. Now the second question is, who has been felicitated with the Maharashtra Bhushan Award 2020? The correct answer is option C, Asha Bhosle. Its detail is, the Maharashtra government has named legendary singer Asha Bhosle for the Maharashtra Bhushan Award. It is the highest honor presented by the government of Maharashtra. She has been chosen for the award for the year 2020 by a committee chaired by CM Uddhav Thackeray. The first Maharashtra Bhushan awardee was Marathi writer P.L. Deshpande, and the last winner of this award was historian Babasaheb Purandare, who got it for the year 2015. Now the third question is, which day is observed as World Theatre Day every year globally? The correct answer is option A, 27th March. Its detail is, the World Theatre Day is celebrated all over the world on 27 March to promote the art form theatre across the world. It was initiated in 1961 by the International Theatre Institute, that is ITI. Now if you are liking this video, then do subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon. The PDF of this video is provided in its description, and I have also given the Facebook link in the description, so you can also follow me on Facebook. Now the next question is, which country will host the ICC Women's World Cup 2022? The correct answer is option C, New Zealand. Its detail is, the 2022 ICC Women's World Cup tournament is scheduled to be held in New Zealand from March 4 to April 3, 2022. The Girl Gang is the official track song for 2022 ICC Women's World Cup as per the information by International Cricket Council ICC. The song is presented by New Zealand singer Gin Wigmore. Now the next question is, when Bangladesh has celebrated its 50 years of independence? The correct answer is option D, 26th March. Its detail is, Bangladesh has celebrated its 50 years of independence on 26th March to mark the day by Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, who would later become Bangladesh's first leader, declared independence before the war began. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman of Bangladesh was the first president of Bangladesh. Rahman is known as the father of the nation, or simply Mujib, in Bangladesh. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman has been felicitated with the Gandhi Peace Prize for the years 2020. In future, passenger train named Mithali Express will run between Dhaka and New Jalpaiguri. Recently, India gifted 109 ambulances to Bangladesh. Now, when we are talking about Bangladesh, then let's know more about Bangladesh. The capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. Its currency is Bangladeshi Taka. The president of Bangladesh is Abdul Hamid. Bangladesh's PM is Sheikh Hasina. National sport of Bangladesh is Kabaddi, and its national animal is Royal Bengal Tiger. Now let's move to our next question. So our sixth question is, name the newly appointed chairman of the Airports Authority of India, that is AAI. The correct answer is option A, Sanjeev Kumar. Its detail is, Sanjeev Kumar, a 1991 batch IAS officer of Maharashtra Cadre, has been appointed as the chairman of Airports Authority of India, that is AAI. Now the next question is, who will chair the committee set up by Ayush Ministry to explore the potential of yoga as a productivity enhancing tool? The correct answer is option B, HR Najendra. Its detail is, the Ministry of Ayush has set up a high-level interdisciplinary committee to explore various aspects of the productivity dimension of yoga. The committee would be chaired by Dr. HR Najendra, Chancellor, Swami Vivekananda Yoga Anusadhana Samsthana, that is SVYASA. Now the next question is, in which state Residential Hockey Center of Excellence will be soon set up? The correct answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Its detail is, a center of excellence in hockey will be set up in the Uttar Pradesh capital, Lucknow. This would be the first advanced in the state 100-bed hostel for boys and girls, modern sports, medicine and physiotherapy centers, as well as top coaches would be part of the center. Now the next question is, which of the following stadiums will host the AFC Women's Asian Cup India 2022? The correct answer is option D, all of these. Its detail is, the D.Y. Patil Stadium in Navi Mumbai, Ahmedabad's Transstadia and the Kalinga Stadium in Bhubaneswar will host the AFC Women's Asian Cup India 2022. The event will be held from January 20 to February 6, 2022. Now the next question is, recently who became the first woman personnel of Delhi Police to be a part of an encounter in central Delhi? The correct answer is option D, Priyanka. Its detail is, Sub-Inspector Priyanka was the first woman personnel of the force to be a part of an encounter. She was the part of the encounter which took place at Pragati Maidan in New Delhi. Now in my last video I asked you a question. If you haven't seen that video, then you can watch it by clicking on the I button. So I asked, who is the author of the book My Experiments with Silence? The correct answer is option D, Samir Soni. Its detail is, actor Samir Soni will come out with his debut book titled My Experiments with Silence, which is about anxiety and self-discovery. Now today's question of the day is, which state will soon become the state with maximum international airports in the country? The options are A, Gujarat, B, Punjab, C, Uttar Pradesh, or is it D, Maharashtra? So among these four options, whichever option you think is correct, just write it in the comment box below and I will tell its correct answer in my next video. So till then, bye, take care and thanks for watching this video.